Welcome to this course on starting a business and making money with AI tools. My name is Phil Ebener, and Diego Davila, my partner, and I are so excited to have you here. In this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about what you're going to learn in this class, how much money you can expect to start making with AI tools, and at the end of this video, I'm even going to show you how you can start prompting ChatGPT to make your own products, which can be sold online in the next 24 hours. We have two goals for you in this class. One, you're going to learn how to use the AI tools, ChatGPT and Midjourney. So we're not just talking about, here's some ideas for making money and letting you go on your own. We're actually showing you how to use these tools for each of these ideas. And then we're going to show you the actual ways to make money, different ideas that you might like, might not like, so you can kind of pick and choose and jump around to sections that interest you. And we're not just talking about this stuff, we're actually doing it. At the very end of the course is a case study on how I created my own book, ebook, and hardback book in less than 24 hours. It's on Amazon, you can buy it now, and I'm making money from it within the first 24 hours of publishing. And so I'll show you more about that later in this video. There's lots of different types of businesses that you can use AI to assist you in making money, from writing content, website content, articles, writing books, doing advertising, marketing, social media campaigns, Google ads, writing video scripts, making videos, online courses, designing anything, graphic design, logo design, anything you want to print out, whether it's a printable poster, a t-shirt, putting a logo, a design on any sort of product and putting it out on a marketplace that sells those products. We'll show you how to do that with Midjourney and so much more. So how much can you make from the ideas that we're going to share in this class? The sky's the limit, to be honest, depending on how much effort you put in. If you have an existing audience, if you have some experience marketing a product yourself, it's going to be a lot easier, and that's super important. If you're coming here from scratch with never putting out a product, never starting an online business, it's going to be a little bit of a more difficult road to get started, to start making some money. Not that it's impossible, but any sort of experience, any sort of audience that you have on social media, YouTube, if you have a community, an email list, all of that, of course, is going to be helpful in launching a product that you'll be able to create quicker than ever using AI that you're going to learn in this class. For example, though, writing books used to be very hard and time consuming, and ChatGPT completely transforms how fast you can write a book. You can publish a book in less than 24 hours. You can publish multiple books in less than 24 hours. And of course, you want it to be high quality. You want to be editing these things. You want to make sure that it gets good reviews, it's beneficial, you're putting out good stuff into the world. Obviously, that stuff doesn't need to be said, but it is important to know that you can't just put out garbage and expect to make money from it. That's just not going to work. But say you put out a book every day. You spend, say, this month, I'm going to do this. I'm going to start my online business. I'm going to put out a book every day. You do that. If you can make $100 per book per month, $3,000 per month, $36,000 per year. If you keep adding on to that, keep that snowball going, keep growing it. Maybe you want to try two different techniques. Maybe this is a side gig, and maybe it's less, maybe it's more. It's really up to you, depending on how much time and effort you can put into it. But the beauty of ChatGPT, Midjourney, and these AI tools is that you can explode the amount of content you're putting out, the products you're putting out, and even the quality that you're putting out with these tools. Let's look at a couple examples to show you what types of businesses you might want to start. There's all kinds of freelance gigs available on Fiverr.com or other freelance marketplaces, but AI itself is a hot trending topic. So if you could learn how to create AI art with Midjourney, which we're going to show you in this class, you can actually put out that gig as an AI artist. And you can see $30, $15, $15, $20 a pop for art. Because a lot of people are lazy. They don't want to go through learning the process, doing it themselves. They just want to pay someone to do it. And honestly, it takes you less than a minute to create some of this artwork for this price. If I go under the graphics and design category, logo design, web and app design, doing illustration, all of this stuff can be done with the help of AI, and some of it just for you. Writing and translation, any of these gigs, writing articles, proofreading and editing, you can do that with ChatGPT. Writing resumes, cover letters, book editing, all of this can be done with the help of ChatGPT and other AI tools. There's so much that you can do here. So pretty much any of these gigs, you can start using AI to help you do. Putting out t-shirts. This is just a silly example, putting a wolf photo on a t-shirt, but you can see how popular some of these t-shirts are on platforms like Etsy. 18,000 reviews for this shirt right here. 8,000, 4.6. Wolves are trendy, I guess. And you can create awesome looking artwork like this using Midjourney. And in fact, Diego, in one of his examples, shows you exactly how to do that later on in the course. And then we have books. So here, just as a quick example, I have kids. I'm always looking for educational content, books, and things for them. There's all these fun educational books about science, about weather, about animals. And some of these books sell a lot. 4,966 books, reviews, which doesn't mean downloads. That's like, I don't know how many people actually leave a review on Amazon, maybe 5% or less. This is just 500 wild facts about animals. You could be making books like this so quickly using ChatGPT. It is amazing. And in fact, I did. This is the book that I showed you earlier. This is the book that I put out. I was honestly sick when I made it. I was sitting on the couch watching a movie with my kids, letting ChatGPT put together this photography challenge book. And it's been out there for a few weeks now. It's a #1 release in this category. I'm getting good reviews. It's high quality, and I'm making actual money from it. And I'll show you that now. So far, in the first few weeks, I've made about $64. That's where I got my $100 amount for this book for the first month. And now it's just completely passive. I launched it. I'll show you how I launched it. And of course, it's all going to be different depending on your numbers, depending on your audience, depending on the quality of the content, the product itself. But this is just an example of this actually working. And I'm excited because I'm putting out more books now in the future. And I'm outsourcing a lot of that work as well to create this passive income, AI-based business that's going to grow my income exponentially. And we're so excited to show you how this all works. I'm in ChatGPT now though, and I really quickly want to give you an idea of what you can do with this. And so I'll go more into detail in the next video, don't worry. But I'm prompting simply, what are 5 ideas for educational kids books about animals? The target age range is 3 to 5 years old. And now ChatGPT is going to give us several ideas for educational books, animal ABCs, colors of an animal kingdom, where do animals live? Here, let me take this first one. Write out this book. And there you have it. You know, this is simple. This might seem silly to you, but this is what kids age 3 to 5 are reading. And then you could take this into Midjourney. You could create art for all of these animals. You can quickly package it up in a book using Google Docs, using canva.com, which is a free graphic design online tool. Package it up, put it out on Amazon. I'm going to show you how to do that all later. But within, what was that, 30 seconds, I have the content for a book. Of course, I have to edit it, make sure it looks good, make sure it's all correct. But is this crazy or is it just me? It's crazy, right? So now is the time to get going. Now is the time to put in the effort, put your stake in the ground in terms of content, becoming an AI business and creator. And we're so excited to have you here and teach you it all. All right, we'll see you in the next lesson. We'll talk more about ChatGPT, then we'll jump into all of our great ideas for making money with AI.